If you're trying to put yourself in the holiday spirit and need something to remind you of the reason for the season, then I have a classic beverage that is sure to do just that. Eggnog. To start off this recipe, we're going to separate 4 eggs into 2 different bowls. Save both the yolks and the whites because we will need both for this recipe. There are many ways to separate an egg, but I find that the easiest, albeit not the cleanest way, is to crack the egg into your hand and let the whites run through your fingers while you keep the yolk in your hand. As you can see, I messed up a little bit and got a bit of the yolk in my whites, but as long as you don't mix it in and be careful, it's pretty easy to fix. Once you've separated your eggs, you're going to set aside the whites for now and whip the yolks until they are creamy and have lightened in color. Along the way, add portions of your sugar and mix thoroughly to fully dissolve the sugar. Once you've incorporated all 1/3 of a cup of sugar and the color has lightened, go ahead and set that aside while we prepare the milk and cream. In a medium pot, combine 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of heavy cream along with 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Bring the mixture to a boil and then take it off the heat. Now we need to incorporate our cream mixture into our yolk mixture slowly by tempering it with small amounts of the cream and mixing to fully combine until the yolk mixture has been brought up to temperature. Then we can pour the yolk mixture back into the pot with the cream and mix thoroughly. If something seemed off in that last clip, let's see if you can figure it out before I do. Okay, now that we're back in uniform, we can place our mixture back on the stove and bring it to a simmer, stirring frequently until the mixture is thick enough to coat the back of a spoon like this. Then we can place the mixture in a bowl and let it cool in the fridge until completely cooled. Once your mixture has cooled, we can take the egg whites from earlier and whip them into soft peaks. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and then continue to whip until stiff peaks have formed. Then we can take our cooled mixture out of the fridge and fold it into our egg whites. Optionally, if you are of age, you can add around 3 ounces of bourbon at this time if you would like. Now just pour your mixture into a serving container and turn on some holiday tunes because you've just finished your eggnog. So let's take a look at that now, shall we? So we made eggnog. This recipe is perfect for the holiday season and is great if you are feeling a little tired of cookies but still want to make something delicious for the season. But with that being said, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed today's recipe, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe and consider sharing it with your friends. Otherwise, stay tuned and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye!